Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2019 Vauxhall Astra. So first of all, we'll put that on any screen. We'll put it on nav to start off with. We go to settings, make sure Bluetooth is on, then we're watching out at the bottom here, over to the system, and you can either click on home there and go to settings, or if you click on telephone there, it shows you there's no paired devices, search for a device, watching out at the bottom here. It's already picked up my phone on the actual audio system, and then Vauxhall IntelliLink here, so click on that. It's now thinking about something, starting to pair Barry's iPhone with the system. 035737, does this pin code match? Yes, it does. So click pair and OK over there. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. It's already showing their Vauxhall's connected, and it's connected on the screen here. So very easy, simple process, nice and quick.